Hello and welcome to K.B.P. Outdoors. Today I'm doing something different. You know, I'm not on the kayak. I'm in a lake or pond or whatever you want to call it. Trying to catch some bass or brim. And it's been a long time since I fished this area. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to catch find a bass or maybe a bluegill. Yeah, you stay tuned. Let's see if we can catch anything. I only brought like 2 rods. I got a bait caster with a good old leaser on it, and I got a ultralight rod for the panfish. See if we can manage to catch any of those. I'm working 7 days. You got off from work, and I said, well, what the heck, let's go fishing. So stay tuned, see if we can catch anything. Well, this is my first time using a chesty, so I don't even know how this is coming out. I'm gonna start throwing the leader, see if how it goes. See if we can find anything that wants our leaser. I'm making a move here because I haven't found any bites on that side of the dock, so on the pier. So let's see if we can find anything here on this side. Nothing here, nothing there. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Look at him. What just happened? My reel went bad? There you go. Man, that was on the drop. Am I recording? Yes, I am. That's a good one right there for this lake. That is a football for this lake. So let's flip them. All right, got him. Got him right there, man. Woo. And this thing hit hard. Easy, buddy. Take it easy, boss. There you go. On that leader, right there. I mean, it ain't that big, but I mean, this place here is hard to find good bass over here, but I found one, man. Finally found one. I got him. Nice fish right there. I got him. Thank you for playing, buddy. There she goes. Wow, okay. I thought I wasn't gonna catch anything here. I mean, I wasn't getting any bites anywhere. Let me fix this mess. I only got one leaser. Okay, I'm gonna move from here somewhere else. There's not much around. Or maybe I'm just unlucky. See this rod? I don't think you're gonna see it again after this video. There's something wrong with that reel seat. See how the seat moves? Driving me crazy, man. I mean, they say that you don't need expensive equipment to fish, and that is true. But when you buy cheap stuff, this is what you get. All right, that's it. I'm gonna move to that little island over there. Let's go to the island. Let's walk around this island, see if we can sight fish. I know I've done it before, but right now the water clarity is not that good. I see a turtle right there. I don't know if you see it. Right there, it's a turtle. Already found a bass. It gotta be more, right? There you go. Oh, come on. There was something there. Try again. Is that a fish over there or a turtle? There you go. There you go. Oh man, I hope you see that. I saw it grab it, but it was really small. I pulled it out of the water. It wasn't even hooked. Yeah, I saw him grab it. So it's definitely bass here. Let's see if we can find another one. Oh, that's a bite, that's a bite, that's a bite. Right there, that's a bite. That is a bite. That is a bite. Oh my God, okay, got you. Oh yeah, what a chunk. Chunky, chunky. Chunky. Come on, calm down. That's about the same size of the first one. Okay, if I ever be able to take this off from here. Come on, there you go. There you go. About the same size of the first one. Green trout. Largemouth bass. Beautiful. All right, let's release it. There you go. There he goes. Yeah, about time. All right, let's fix this bait and keep going. One more, only one more. See if we can catch another one before I run out of battery. One more bite. I'm almost out of battery. Ooh, whoa, look at that. That was the bite I was looking for. How do I get down there? Hold on. Oh, I don't want to break anything. All right, we got it right there. Ooh, look, we got on hook. Right there. Come on, bud. Ah, that's the one we're looking for. Look at them green. Beautiful bass right there. Look at them. Thank you, bud. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. I just came here for a quick trip, you know, after work, because I'm working 7 days. I don't know when I'm gonna be when I'm gonna be able to get out there again on my kayak or do any other kind of fishing. So this pond here, you can see behind me, it's close to my house, and at least I managed to catch 3 bass. I love catching bass. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you want me to do this again, want me to go do some short fishing, tell me in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. So man, it's hot. So until next time, you all take care.